What's up, people? It's your host, Arkansas Jeff, back today with another truck mod. Today's truck mod will be the one I told you about in the last video, or told you I will be doing. Today we will be installing a pedal commander. Should be an easy install, although I've never done it before. Watched plenty of videos on it to where we could see things. Now, as you know from the last video, my new truck is a 2019 Ram Rebel 5.7 Eco Torque, and I've already modified, well, first mod, which is what most people get, a window tint. Trying to see exactly how well I'll be able to get to that plug. Now, I've never done this, and we're gonna see if I'm smart enough to actually get it going on. I did try this 2 seconds ago, or about 5 minutes ago really, but because you have to have the key fob 35 feet away from the truck whenever unplugging this piece, I came out here with the valet key, unlocked my door, and the dang alarm started going off like crazy. So this time I left my door open, so that way I ain't gotta worry about the alarm going off. We're gonna keep playing with this light. I don't exactly know how this thing comes out. That seemed pretty easy. Hopefully the camera showed how easy that was. I just pulled this little tab. We can't make it better lighting. I pulled this little tab. It goes, this was inside here, or on top of this, down in there, and I pulled this little tab out, and it just came right up. So now we gotta figure out which end of the pedal commander actually goes where. I apologize for the camera setup. It's a little in the way, so I knocked it over on accident. No, that's not looking right. Maybe. There we go. If I got that in there all the way. Oh, be my luck that ain't in there all the way. Let's run with it, see if it'll work. Got that backwards. Trying to talk to you, but at the same time trying to concentrate. I don't know what I'm doing here. That don't feel like it's going down there. I mean, at the same time it feels like it's correct way, but it don't feel correct, if that makes sense. Because this side ain't going in at all. So we're gonna flip it back around. Maybe I was supposed to pull this out some. Yeah, there we go. And if you notice that I had to pull that out, that's what I had wrong. It's still got a little bit of a gap in between there, but I think that's all the way it's supposed to go. I'm not quite sure if you can see the gap. Try to get right up in there a little bit more. Right there's the little gap I'm talking about. But hopefully that is correct how it's going to be, or how it's supposed to be ran. Now I want to keep this little box right here, the controller box, hidden. I don't really want it up on my dash like everybody else has been putting. So what I'm going to try to do is put it right there where I got this little light, because right here is a little flat space. I'm going to clean it off and mount the little bracket to it. Let's see. I'll start back the video in a second. Okay, now I skipped some steps because I didn't really have the space down here for having the camera and working, but I did use the 2 zip ties that came with the pack. One right here, and the other one I used in the far back here to zip tie the wires to that little piece right there. You can see it right there. As you notice, I got the box mounted where I said I would. I'm not sure how great that's going to work, but we shall find out. Alright, there you have it. That was the install of my pedal commander on a 2019 Ram Rebel. Hopefully the video helped you out quite a bit. I'll show you the box real quick, show you the do's and don'ts. As I said earlier, it states somewhere on here to, if your vehicle has a keyless entry, keep the key fob at least 35 feet away from the vehicle. Wait 5 minutes to give everything time to power down. Now, if you're like me, you don't really want to read that stuff, and I almost didn't, so I'm glad I did. Hopefully this video was helpful for you, and see you on the next episode.